Hello everybody, I am Tony. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a shoe unboxing. Another Allen Iverson unboxing. This is what the box looks like, just like pretty much every other Allen Iverson box. Not all of them, but most of them. These are the class of 2016 Hall of Fame shoes, and they were proudly arranged by Logan. Show you what they look like in the box, if I can. I don't have a whole lot of room, so this is what they look like in the box. And let me get one out. We'll start with the left one. I always start with the right one. Okay, so we'll start with the outside. Now, again, these are the class of 2016 Hall of Fame. This because Allen Iverson got indicted into the basketball Hall of Fame in 2016. So they wanted to do a shoe in his honor, and they did this by picking out a basketball court in Philadelphia, and they based this shoe on that basketball court, the colors and everything, because it's supposedly a very colorful basketball court. Like, there's wood and concrete and everything is painted really interesting and all that. Okay, let me get to the shoes. I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit of the background of the shoes this time, because last time I was kind of out of it. We have the Reebok symbol, and I'm going to show you guys up close. It has the 4 colors inside the black. It has the dark blue, the light blue, the yellow, and the red. My eyes are watering, I'm sorry. Then you have this black suede that goes down here. You have the white rubber with the all white hexalite and the honeycomb design. Then up here you have like this more pebbled leather, and then here you have like a flat leather. I don't know the specific names of the leather yet. I'll get there one day. Up here, this is a high enough shoe that it actually has enough holes to say Reebok going up the side. And then when we turn the shoe to the front, it looks like this. It is a standard question tongue. It has the big netting with the curved, then straight, then curved, and straight again. Leather piece and a black Reebok sign up top, and then a black piece of fabric. This front, to me, it is so smooth, it almost feels like foam. It almost feels like a foam composite, but I'm guessing that it's suede. You have the dark blue that peeks up from the front, which is gorgeous. And then when you come around the side, this shoe, it has a blue piece of suede that comes from the back up to the toe, what is it? The toe box. Yeah, meets up with the toe box. Again, you have the Reebok symbol. This one just has white inside. It doesn't have the 4 colors. And then you have the Reebok going up again. And same thing in the back. This is the Q for question, the name of the shoes. And then you have the dark blue, the light blue, the red, and the yellow. And then you have the number 3. And I didn't point out in my last video that the number 3 was Allen Iverson's number whenever he played basketball. So the 3 is surrounded by black. It is in red and then filled in with white. Show you guys really close. And then when you flip it over, these are gorgeous bottoms. I really like these. They're really, really tight. I tried to do my eyes to match. There's a little bit of gold that's like here, but you can barely see it. It's okay. I just try to be cute. Anyway, it says Reebok right down the middle, as always, with a Reebok symbol in the middle. Right here, it says non-marking outer sole. And then right here it says hexalite in the middle above the peak hole of the hexalite. And then I'm going to pull out the, I don't know what just fell. Oh well. I'm going to pull out the other shoe because this is the middle of the other shoe. It has red suede that goes from the back to the toe box. So when you're wearing these shoes, they look normal from the front pretty much. You can barely tell. And then from the back, you can see it. It's pretty cool, I think. You'll have to tell me what you guys think of this. These are some pretty cool shoes that I'm very glad to add to my collection. And I will, I don't know, you guys will have to let me know. These videos are always pretty short for me. I'd like to get to the point where I know more about shoes and I'm able to tell you guys a lot more about them. But I just enjoy showing you guys what I got and talking about them. I actually have a makeup haul coming. It's not huge, but it's still a makeup haul. So, there'll be that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I am so happy if you're here for the giveaway. I've had this song about money in my head all day. So put something that has something to do with money in the comments, like emojis about money or dollar signs or something. I don't know. It's driving me nuts because it won't get out of my head. I might actually play it after I am done with this video. I love you guys a ton. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm going to get going, but you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having a great one, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. All right. Bye, guys.